Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about clear cache, In this page you will search about the application of ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. And here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.